Hi guys, just bought this iPhone 13 mini because of its compact size in green, very well, very interesting color. The phone is not so big for one-handed use properly. I always use this Pixel 3, which is already 4 years old. The battery doesn't hold very well, but the screen sizes are comparable, 5.4 and 5.5 and 5.4 inches. Yeah, so basically let's see if you can really use that iPhone 13 mini with one hand only. So the problem is only that they place everything, let's say all the controls buttons on top. So you have to, if you hold it like I always do with my pinky, you have to stretch your finger, stretch your hand like this to reach this corner, top left corner. If you want to reach the control center, you can do the following. So basically you can do like this and then like this to open up the control center, or if you need a notification shade, you can pull it like this. But yeah, the problem is only that they really put all the controls over here. So if you don't use this mode, one-handed use mode, then you have to stretch it, so you don't hold it with the pinky anymore, you have to stretch it like this, because all the controls are on top, basically on all the apps. Yeah, and if you can compare it to your hand in a store looking for this phone, compared to my hand and for this to this iPhone 13 mini, so you can see it here. Again, if you have the Pixel 3, the screen size is almost the same. It's just bezels over here, the Pixel 3. Yeah, so what else can I show you? So one-handed mode, typing on the keyboard, you can reach more or less all the, the left part of the screen easily, more or less. You have to stretch it a little bit though. So you can buy this phone. I bought it just for its compact size. Let's see if it's gonna be usable, especially now in Russia with all the sanctions and deleted apps and so on. Let's see if I can use this phone here in Russia. See, you need to stretch your finger a little bit. But yeah, so compact and interesting. Let's say compared to my Pixel 5a, which is so huge. Yeah, nice phone, interesting. I didn't use iPhones since iPhone SE2, I think. The small, like 5S one, and it's compared to 5S, it's almost the same size. They could have placed the button over here even, I think. Switch off button. Okay, that's been it. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, thumbs up. If you want, you can subscribe to my channel. Leave the comment down below what's interesting for you. I will make some videos. Thanks, bye.